What is up, guys? It's Kevin back again with a quick new video, just letting you guys know what I've been doing and what I've been working on. Now today, this is just going to be a quick video, something that annoyed the hell out of me. I bought a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer, and if you don't know, it has the push button start, but it also has a fob. Now, for some reason on this vehicle, the push button start is disabled. So when it's that, you have to use the metal key. Now, I looked online. I tried to use the metal key. The car wouldn't start. Let me go through the wrong way to do this. Okay, so here you have your fob with your metal key. A lot of videos, when you look it up, you know, the car's not starting. Now, this has a push button start on it, but it's not enabled. So you got a key slot too, just in case. So a lot of people say, well, you got to take the metal key out. You got to use it because it's just like a normal key, and you got to use it, and you got to unlock the door twice and then get in it and it'll start or whatever. Other places will say there's this little place here that you got to put your fob in there and then put your key in and it'll start. That doesn't work. Other places they'll tell you there's a spot in here to put your key so that the car recognizes the immobilizer and you can start the car. None of that is correct. Now, that is correct for the glove box on the Mitsubishi Outlander, but on the Lancer, this doesn't work. Nothing. Like, all this is crap. But people are saying this is how you start the car if you don't have the whatever. Bullshit. So what you're going to do is just take your key out, and you're going to stick your key in it like that. That's all you do. Pop it in there, start it up. Now, the reason is the immobilizer in here has to communicate with the key, which has to communicate with the immobilizer in the actual car. So this is touching and making that, you know, connection with the car. So if you just try to start it, even if you try to start it like this with the fob like really close, it's not going to work. So the fob has to be on the key. So let's put the key in there. Starts right up. Yeah, that's all you have to do. It's very simple. I don't know. Like I said, I looked for about 10 minutes online. Everybody was saying all these different types of ways to do it and how you got to do it. No, this is the way to do it. And it starts up every single time. So hopefully that saved you a little headache.